Welcome back developers, my name is David and in this video I will show you 3 methods of adding vehicles. First method is adding FiveM Ready vehicles to your Fivem server. The second method is how to add non-FiveM Ready vehicles. And the third method is the most efficient way of adding vehicles to your Fivem server. So this method works for QBCore, ESX, and Sentinel, so pretty much for all frameworks. First of all, you want to locate your resources folder. If your server is hosted with Airnode, you want to go to settings, then launch your SFTP. Then put in the password you made for your panel account, log in, go into your server folder, look at your resources folder, and from here it's for everybody the same. So you want to create a new folder, you want to call it vehicles in this instance, open it up. So I'm going to show you now how to add the FiveM Ready vehicle. I'll link this in the description. Let's download it. So this is the FiveM Ready method. Let's open the folder where it's saved. Let's extract it. I'm using 7-zip to extract all of my files. Go into this folder, You want to go into FiveM, not SPs. SP stands for single player. You'll want to go into FiveM and then open this folder, and let's see, does it have all the metas it has to have. So it has the carvariations, handling, and vehicles. It has all the meta files we need. Let's look into the stream. The stream names are the same as the folder name. And if you see a file that says _high or +high, keep the high. That is for the texture. No, not for texture. The YTB files for the texture, and if it has _high or +high, just keep it. So let's go back to the folder. Get this folder and drag it into your folder you made earlier, which is called bracket vehicles bracket. Let's upload it. Meanwhile, let's copy the name of the resources of the vehicle. So copy the name, then close your explorer, go to go back, then back again, open your server.cfg. Now scroll down until you see where everything is insured. Let's insure it down here, and then you wanna save the file. And then close out of your text editor. I'm using Visual Studio Code as my text editor. It's very good. I'll link it in the description if you want to download it. And now let's restart the server, and I'm going to load into the server. I'll see you when I'm loaded in. After you've loaded into your server, you'll open txadmin by typing /tx in your chat. Go to vehicle and spawn in the vehicle. It's downloading. Oh, the stopped radio, and here is your car. So this is, in my opinion, kind of slow, because if you have to add many cars, it's very slow. And now I'm going to show you the method on how to add non-FiveM Ready vehicles. So for this, you're going to need OpenIV. You can download OpenIV by going to this link. Just search openIV.com, or we'll link it into the description, and you want to download it. Alright, now to convert it, I found here a non-FiveM Ready vehicle. I'll put the link into the description if you want to download it. Let's download the file, download, and then save it, and let's open it. Let's extract the files. Let's delete the zip folder and go into here and then into here. So as you can see, we have a dlc.rpf in here. Let's open OpenIV for this, for Windows. You wanna drag this in. Make sure edit mode is on. I have it by default on. Then you wanna go into x64 data, or no, go back, x64 levels, and then GTA 5, and then vehicles.rpf, and you wanna copy this name over here, It's called Addon-GRB. You want to create a new folder over here, call it Addon-GRB. Go into there. You want to create a new folder, call it stream. So in here all the 3D models and textures will go in, and mods if there are any, and a data folder where all the meta files go in. Alright, into the stream, let's drag all of these files in. Now let's go back. Oh, it has a mods. It has some mods too, so let's put these mods too. And go back, go back, go back, go back. Now we're in the root again. Go into common and then data, and you will have all the meta files. Open the data folder here and then drag all of these meta files in. Now go back again. You want to create a new file here, and you want to call it fxmanifest.lua. Yes, and then open it with your preferred code editor, and in here we will paste this code. I'll leave the link into the description, or I mean just this text in the description. You want to save it and close it. Now if you are using Airnode hosting or any other hosting, you want to drag it in your resources folder. Let's delete this folder. I don't know what's here. Drag it in. Let's copy the name. Go back, then to your server.cfg. Go scroll down, and then you'll want to ensure it, and then paste in the name, and then save it, close your text editor, and restart your server. And I'll be back when I'm in game. Alright, I've loaded in. Let's spawn the vehicle. Oh, press on submit at least. And here we go. It's in. I guess it is a trash thing. So you see it works. This is the slowest method and the most non-efficient method. Now I'm going to show you the fastest method and the most efficient method adding vehicles. Alright, let's go back to our resources folder, then our vehicles. I'll give it a name. For example, let's say paid cars, for example. I'll put in all the paid cars, and then you'll want to create a new folder and call it stream, and create a new folder and call that one not folder, a file, and call that one fxmanifest.lua. Now I will put I'll put this code too in the description. Save this code, close out of it, and go into the stream. So in the stream, I'll go back to all the cars we've had download, and then let's see. So we made this car right earlier. Go into the folder data, drop everything in, and then go back into the stream and drop here everything in, and that's it. So some files you won't need, such as DLC text, is not required. You can delete DLC text. It's just using space for nothing. Go back. Now let's add another car. So this is all still in this folder here, paid cars, stream, and then here is the car. You do not need a FX manifest anymore. It's just the vehicle 3D files and textures and the data of the vehicle, the metas. Let's see, the car from earlier. Do we still have it? No. Alright, let's get the car from earlier. Let's download it real quick. Go into paid cars, stream, and then you want to get the meta files. Oh no, first of all you want to create a new folder called GTR50, and then in there drag these files in, and then these files in the 3D models. Let it upload, and done. And here I have more cars I made to make this faster. So as you can see, this folder has the 3D models and then the meta files. The same for all of these, and these. Check all of these in here in this train folder, and I'll be back when it's done uploading. Alrighty, it's done uploading. Vehicles and then paid cars stream, and here are all the cars. Let's go back and delete these two because we already added them in the paid cars folder. And now copy this folder name, go back, open your server.cfg and delete both of these lines and replace it with unsure and then the folder name. So you don't need to type in unsure GTR50 GTR rate blah 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 and the rest. You don't need to do that anymore. You just need to ensure the folder. And now let's restart the server. And I'll be back when I'm in the server. Alrighty, I just loaded in and let's see all the cars we've added. Let's start off with the GTR 50. As you can see, it works. Let's test the next car. This one works too. Let's test all the other cars we've added. Here's another car. It doesn't have an engine sound because I don't have the files for the engine sound. If you guys want a video on how to add custom engine sounds to your vehicle, let me know in the comments, and I'll do it. Next vehicle.
It's time to solve everything. Fine.
This one. Now the next vehicle. And then the next vehicle. And then the last one. Oh, I did not copy it right. Let's try again. There we go. This is the last car. That's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day ahead.